how can I be sure I'm infringing a patent?
This is great.
Well, that's a
Money.
that's a great question.
Hire
Even
Troy.
judges,
Talk with an
yeah,
attorney.
even
Barrel.
judges aren't sure sometimes, right? But yeah, so to know if you're infringing a patent, or to at least assess whether you're infringing a patent, you want to look at the very end of the patent, and that's where you'll find some numbered paragraphs. We call those claims. And what you need to do to determine whether you're infringing a patent is you need to go through those claims element by element, and you need to compare the claim to your product. And your product has to match up with every element of the claim. It has to be a one-to-one correspondence as you go through the claim. So if your product is missing an element that's called for by the claims, so say the claim, just very simple example, a pen comprising a tip and an eraser, and all you have is the eraser. You don't have a tip. That means you're not infringing that claim. One common misperception is sometimes people will think if you add something to your product that's not in the claim that you can avoid the claim. That's actually not true. So if the claim calls for A, B, C, and D, and your product has A, B, C, and D, but it also has E, you're still infringing that claim. So when you wouldn't infringe the claim would be if the patent calls for A, B, C, D, and all you have is A, B, and C, but you're lacking D. So that's how you would know. But I would encourage you to seek out counsel on that, because it can be a pretty involved exercise sometimes to make those determinations.